In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display calendar items in the side view of Outlook. This tutorial is perfect if you want to have quick access to your calendar while managing your emails and daily tasks. Let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Outlook's website. This is your go-to platform for email and calendar management if you're using Outlook across different devices. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, you'll notice a sign in button located in the top right corner. Give that a click. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. This is your Microsoft account, and signing in will give you access to your personalized Outlook interface. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right of the screen where you'll see a button labeled My Day. Go ahead and click on it. This feature of Outlook is a great tool that provides you with an overview of your tasks and calendar appointments without having to leave your inbox. Clicking My Day seamlessly integrates your upcoming events and task list right into your mailbox view, making multitasking a breeze. Now, as you click My Day, you'll see that your calendar will automatically appear on the side view. It's a neatly organized snapshot of your schedule that you can look at while managing your emails. This feature is particularly useful when you're trying to stay on top of things but don't want to switch back and forth between different tabs or windows. In this side view, the calendar will display your upcoming events, meetings, or any reminders you've set. You can scroll through the dates and even make quick edits to any of your appointments without disrupting the flow of your current tasks. The integration of both email and calendar in a single view helps streamline your day-to-day work, making it more efficient and productive. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to enhance your productivity by having your calendar items readily available in the side view of your Outlook account. This setup not only saves time, but also minimizes the hassle of managing multiple tasks within separate applications. Feel free to explore more features within the My Day section to further customize your Outlook experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to check Microsoft's support resources or comment below. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do. Happy organizing,